It's your pal Zippity Zap, and this is my son Beansy. And today we're gonna play a game of tabletop hockey or Nok Hockey. Are you ready to play, Beansy?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay. All right. So here's the wooden board or the playing surface. But what shape is the whole board? Do you know, Beansy?
Yes, a rectangle.
What do you think?
Rectangle.
He's right. It's a rectangle. Good job, Beansy, and good job to you guys too. Where do you see circles on the board, Beansy?
Here, and here, and here, and here, and here.
Oh, he's right. He got them all. Yeah, these are circles. All those are circles. Hey, what color are those circles?
Red.
It's red, yeah. Red circle here, a red circle there, a red circle there, a red circle there, and a red circle there. But wait, can we count all the circles?
Yeah.
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I think there's one more. This is a circle too. So we have 6 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. Good job. And look at these two shapes. They look like the shape of a kite. Look, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job, Beansy. Yeah, so these pieces are gonna act like the goalie, and their job is to stop the puck from going into the goal. And hey, do you see the area behind this piece?
Yes.
It's the shape of a half circle. And what color is it?
Blue.
Yeah, good job. It's the color blue. And I have a goalie, you have a goalie, and their job is to stop the puck from going inside the goal. And so how many goalies are on the board?
1, 2.
Yeah, there's 1, 2 goalies. One on his side and one on my side. This blue area is the crease, or the area where the goal is. Because the goal is in here. Hey, do you see these blue lines?
Yeah.
How many blue lines are there?
Look at them. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and this one is thinner, and this one is wider.
This one is thinner. This one is wider.
Very good. And this line is the center line. It splits the board in half. So on this side, it's his side, and on this side is my side. You see this little empty space? Yeah, that's the goal. You have to shoot the puck in there to score a goal.
Yeah.
Now it's time to get ready to play. But to play, we need hockey sticks. But Beansy made a mess on the table. Can you help me find a hockey stick? Is this a hockey stick?
No.
No?
It's a spoon.
It's a spoon?
Yes.
Is this a hockey stick?
No, that's a straw.
It's a straw.
Is this?
Is that a hockey stick?
No.
He's right, it's not a hockey stick. Is this a hockey stick?
Yes.
Yeah, we got ourselves a hockey stick. Okay, we got our hockey sticks, but I feel like something else is missing. What else do we need to play hockey?
Pucks.
Yeah, we need a hockey puck to play. Yeah, we need a hockey puck. A hockey puck is a disc-shaped object used to play hockey. But uh-oh, Beansy made another mess. Can you help me find a hockey puck?
Yes, I will do it.
Is this a hockey puck?
No. Is this a hockey puck?
No, I think that's a quarter.
Is this a hockey puck?
No, I think that's a letter Q.
Is this a puck?
Yeah, I think that's a hockey puck. It's a disc-shaped object used to play hockey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, and what color is it?
Red.
It's the same color as our sticks.
Yeah,
The stick and the puck are the color red.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good job. All right, so we got our hockey sticks and we got a hockey puck. I think we're ready to play. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Start. We got to put our sticks on the blue line. We got to raise the sticks over the puck and tap our sticks together 3 times. And then after that, we got to hit the puck to our side. And that's how we determine who goes first. Can you count with us?
Yes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, Beansy gets to go first. And to play, we each get 1 turn to shoot the puck into the net or into the goal. Okay, now it's my turn.
Your turn, Daddy.
Ah, his goalie made the save.
Can I do it?
Yep. Ah, he missed. Okay, I'm going to try to score. Ah, his goalie got in the way. In Nok Hockey, you can't defend. You have to have a clean shot. Ah, his goalie made the save. Ah, his goalie made the save again.
Yes.
Your turn, Beansy.
Nok Hockey's really fun.
I'm going to take a shot. Ready?
Yes.
Ah, his goalie made the save again. Good try, Beansy. Since the goalie keeps getting in the way, I think we have to shoot it a certain way so it goes into the goal. So I know this is kind of hard to get the puck in that little slot area, but I like to remind myself that I can do hard things, right?
Yes, I do hard things.
Yeah, okay, we can do it. All right, so let's try to focus. And since if we shoot it straight, it's gonna hit the goalie. So I think we have to maybe, if we shoot it off the wall, it might go off the wall and go behind the goalie into the goal.
Yeah,
I think that's a smart idea.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Ready?
Yes.
Ah, I still hit the goalie. Okay. Zippy's turn. Hey, I scored! Yeah! I'm so happy I scored a goal, and I'm very proud of myself because I worked so hard to score a goal because I can do hard things, right?
Yes.
Yeah!
And me too.
And you too. All right, let's see you score a goal. Come on.
Okay.
Since I scored, now Beansy gets the first shot. Anywhere from inside here you can shoot. Go ahead. Go ahead, Beansy. Okay. I'm going to try to shoot it off the wall again. Hey! I scored! Yeah! Okay, that's 2 goals. All right.
Yes.
All right, come on, Beansy.
Are you ready?
Hey! I scored again. That's my 3rd goal. Beansy scored. It might not feel great to get scored against sometimes, but I think it's really important to have good sportsmanship. Yeah. I want him to do well, and I want to do well too.
You scored!
Let's watch an instant replay.
Hey! Yeah! Good job, Beansy!
Oh. I scored!
Yeah. Hey, do you want to take a shot? Come on! Wow, that was a great shot! And you scored! Good job! Okay, he has 4 goals, I have 4 goals. Next goal wins. Ready?
Yes.
Almost, Beansy. Almost.
Now your turn.
Almost.
I get back to you.
Oh, you almost got it.
I got the back to you.
Beansy scored! Hey! Hey! Beansy just scored, which means now he has 5 goals, and I have 4 goals. And since 5 is more than 4, he wins! Good job, buddy!
I win!
Even though I lost, I had a lot of fun playing with him, and I'm happy that he's happy. Good job, buddy. High five. Yeah. High five again. Yeah.
One more time.
One more time. Yeah.
A big one.
A big one. Yeah.
A little one.
A little one. Do a little one. Yeah. Medium one. Boom. And a hockey one. Yeah. Beansy, it was so much fun playing Nok Hockey with you. But I think we have to get up and get moving. What do you think we should do now?
Let's do a dance break.
Yeah, let's do a dance break. Come on. Thank you for playing Nok Hockey with us. We had a lot of fun, and we hope you come back and join us for more fun soon. But all you gotta do is spell my name in the search bar. That's ZIPITY ZAP! I'm being silly, and that was way too fast. Let's try again, but slow it down. Ready? ZIPITY, and then ZAP! Zippity Zap! Hey, Beansy, you want to spell your name?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to spell Beansy. Ready? B-E-A-N-S-Y. Beansy! Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you soon, kiddos. Bye! Hey, kiddos, don't forget to tell your parents or a grown-up to subscribe.